Welcome to our Hawaiian vacation. That's right, we're on Maui right now. Today we are gonna show you some crazy beaches. We do have an awesome water park at our hotel at the Grand Wailea that has something that's super unique. I don't really know all that's in store, but for now, look how big our hotel suite is. It's a big dining room with a kitchen over here. There's Claire. Here's another patio, and then we've got another room with London. Hi, London. And Lincoln, and Claire and I.
Are you taking that camera underwater?
No, we're gonna go to a big beach first that has some cool beaches, nice sand, nice shops, nice waves. It's interesting. What's up, guys? Got your boogie boards ready to roll? Dangerous shore break. They fell off on the second wave. There he goes. See you later. Up.
I can't move.
You can do it.
It's huge.
You just gotta go a little further. Watch these dudes. Watch them for a minute. Wow! Impressive!
Come on, why aren't you getting in?
Alright, I'll get in. Alright, I need to go hide my phone, so if you're watching this footage, that likely means that my phone was not stolen. Risky, risky. Alright, we've been at the beach for about 2 hours now, and it's been a lot of fun. Lincoln wants me to film him doing a Fortnite dance in slow motion with the waves. Let's see if he can do it here. Hey, buddy! All right, Claire, beach is over. How was it?
It was fun, except for when you got tossed around inside the waves.
That was the fun part. Lincoln, how did it go? How do you like this beach?
It was crazy. I probably did like, at the most, 8 turns in a row, just back and forth inside the big waves. The largest wave I've ever seen, like, been in my entire life, hit me, and I just slammed against the sand.
Any broken bones?
No, but my pinky feels like it's broken.
Your toe?
weird.
Your pinky toe?
Yeah, my pinky toe. Like, I twisted my ankle, and then all my toe just slammed against something.
I think you're gonna be okay.
Yeah, me too.
So now the trick is find an Uber to pick us up while we're all sandy and wet. So we're gonna go to the main road, try to clean off a little bit, see if this works.
So we just got done swimming, and the best thing to do...
I'm still all wet and have sand in my ears.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. The best thing to do is go and get for real milkshakes.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. We need one of these in our house. I think we need one of these in our new house. Yeah. What do we got here, Claire?
We got cookies.
Oh, we got a special treat for Leslie and my birthday. They sent us lots of stuff with our food. Look at this. All of these drinks, lots of Hawaiian snacks, fruits. Yum! This is good. And they even gave us a nice note. Where's the note? I think my sister called and told them that it was my birthday and Leslie's birthday. Thank you, Lizzie. That is a good way to end our day. Oh, look at that. Just for having a birthday. Ouch. Today we are gonna go golfing. Lincoln's up. Oh, beautiful hit, Lincoln. It's right, though. And you cleared, okay, 141 yards to the green. And Lincoln pulls out his driver and crushes it over the green. Club selection at this part of the summer, this point of the summer, is not the strongest. But look at this course, isn't it beautiful? What do you think about this course, Link?
There's lots of big trees. Fairway.
Yeah, we got this big old tree right there. Okay, so this one is, how far is it? 131 yards up there. Film me, Lincoln. I think I'll pull out my 9-iron. Nobody behind us, I'm gonna hit one more. And that's a wrap from golf. Who won? I would say I probably won. We're gonna head back to the hotel now. We're back at the hotel and check out how awesome this hotel is. They gave us balloons for Leslie's birthday. And also,
a squishy.
Happy birthday cake. Happy birthday, Leslie cake. Claire, do you want any of this cake? One candle.
She's turning 1.
She's turning 1. 1 plus a few extra zeros. Not zeros.
No.
1 number in front of the 1. Where is the birthday girl? Birthday girl, where are you?
Wow, your hair looks exciting.
Oh, fun hair. All right, you got go sit in your chair.
Oh.
This hotel is cool. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but stay tuned. You are looking nice today.
Yeah.
London, I like your shirt. Lincoln's looking sharp. Claire's got her super long, straight hair. Wow. So here's the plan. We decided to rent a car and go explore the island a little bit. So I heard that there's a place called Lahaina Pizza that has really, really good pizza, thanks to my friend Matt. And then also I heard that there's a place called Uliani's Shaved Ice that's really good and it happens to be right next door to it. So it's about a 45-minute drive from our hotel. We're gonna go check it out and thought we'd bring you guys along, see if this pizza is all that it's been hyped up to be from our friend Matt. So 50-minute drive for a pizza, probably worth it. Gentlemen, kind of looking digital stuff here. GPS, fancy direction things. Look at this little knob guy.
I like it, but I like Teslas.
You like Teslas better. How are you guys doing back there? Look at that, you even have a back window shade.
Oh, that's
And you have your own, if you wanted to have a sunroof, there's a sunroof there. Oh, look, the back's opening.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm doing that.
Good job, Claire. Fancy.
I'm getting it.
All right, we made it to Lahaina. This place is notorious for giant trees. Big old tree. Just stretches out. Next step, go get some pizza. This is a fun little street. Look at all the shops and stuff. Okay, this place has a killer view. It looks kind of like Chicago-style deep dish pizza, but this is nice. Look at the view.
Yours are the same as mine.
Yum, yum, yummy. Shaved ice time. Are you ready? What kind do you want to get?
Guava.
Guava? Yum. You look like a tiger's blood kind of guy.
I'm Tiger Blood.
And now the sun's about to set. This is a great trip. We're gonna head back over to our hotel. But look at this. All right, there's the sun setting in Lahaina. We still have one more day here in Hawaii, but we did do one video that was cool on the water park on our main channel. If you haven't watched it, we'll link it right here. Go check it out. And thank you, Grand Wailea, for helping us out with this trip. It was a really special 1-week vacation for the family, so we're out of here.